Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. A times A minus A times A is equal to 100. Find the value of A. We will start the solution of this question. We have an equation A times A minus A times A is equal to 100. So A times A is A cube, because power will add up having the same basis, and this is A times A is A square is equal to 100. Now we will subtract this 100 on both sides of the equation, so we get A cube minus A square minus 100 is equal to 0. So we can write this equation as A cube minus A square minus 100 can be written as 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. So we will multiply this. Now we will multiply this minus sign inside the bracket. We get A cube minus A square minus 125 minus into minus plus 25 is equal to 0. Now we can write this A cube minus A square minus 125 is equal to 5 cube, and 25 is equal to 5 square is equal to 0. Now we will combine the cube terms, that is A cube minus 5 cube minus A square plus 5 square is equal to 0. We can write this as A cube minus 5 cube, taking minus common, A square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Now we have to use two formulas, one for A cube minus B cube and one for A square minus B square. What is A cube minus B cube? It is equal to bracket A minus B bracket A times A square plus AB plus B square. And what is A square minus B square? This is A minus B times A plus B. Now we will write this equation as A cube minus B cube is A minus 5 A square plus 5A plus 25 minus A square minus B square, A minus 5 A plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can take A minus 5 common from both the terms. We get A minus 5 left with A square plus 5A plus 25 minus A minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will write A minus 5 as it is. This is A square. 5A minus 4A is plus 4A, and plus 25 minus 5 is plus 20 is equal to 0. So either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. That is A minus 5 equal to 0, or A square plus 4A plus 20 is equal to 0. First we will deal with this case. Adding 5 on both sides, we get the first value of A, which is 5. Now this is the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 1, so A is 1, B is 4, and what is C? C is 20. Now we will use formula x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c all over 2a. We will put this value of a, b, c here to get the value of this a. Now the equation becomes minus b. What is minus b? Minus 4 plus minus b square. 4 square is 16 minus 4 into a is 1. C is 20 all over 2 into a is 1. This is basically x equals. So it will be equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16. 4 into 20 is 80 all over 2. Now this is minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 80 is minus 64 over 2. We can write this as minus 4 plus minus square root of 64 times square root of minus 1 over 2. So we have minus 4 plus minus, what is square root of 64? This is 8, and square root of minus 1 is always equal to iota. Divided by 2, 2 here, 2 here. It will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 iota. So we have a second and a third value which is complex. Minus 2 equals plus minus 4 iota. So we have values of a. First value is 5, second is minus 2 plus 4 iota, and minus 2 minus 4 iota. So we will check the value of this in our given question, whether it is true or not. A times a times a minus a times a, 100. What is a? 5 times 5 times 5 minus 5 into 5, 100. 5 into 5, 25 into 5, 125 minus 5 into 5 is 25, 100. 125 minus 25, 100 is equal to 100. It means left hand side equal to right hand side. So our value is correct. And I hope you understand this video. If so, please like, share. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my daily videos. Thank you for watching.